In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend background in Canva Stretch Background. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or custom designs, having a perfectly extended background can elevate your visuals to the next level. Canva makes this process incredibly simple with its intuitive tools and AI-powered features. Today, I'll guide you step by step so you can seamlessly stretch and expand any image background to fit your canvas, all within minutes. Let's get started. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. It's worth mentioning that Canva is entirely browser-based, which means there's no software to download. You can access it directly from your web browser, making it super convenient. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button at the top of your dashboard and give it a click. This will bring up several design options for you to choose from. From the list, select Custom Size. Customizing the canvas dimensions is essential because it ensures your design fits your specific project requirements. For this tutorial, you can use dimensions of 100 by 50 pixels, but feel free to adjust this based on your needs. Now that you have your blank canvas ready, it's time to add an image. You can either upload your own photo by clicking the Uploads button, or you can explore Canva's extensive library of free images. If you're using Canva's library, simply type in a keyword to search for the perfect photo. Once you've chosen your image, drag and drop it onto the blank canvas. With the photo in place, click on it to highlight it, which activates the editing options. Look for the Edit button that appears above the canvas and click on it. This will open up the editing panel on the left side, where you'll find a variety of tools to enhance your image. Next, we're going to use Canva's Magic Studio tools. These are AI-driven features designed to simplify and enhance your design process. In the editing panel, locate the Magic Studio section and click on it. From there, select the Magic Expand feature. This tool is what allows you to stretch your background effortlessly. Once you've selected Magic Expand, you'll need to choose the area of your canvas to expand. For the best results, select the Whole Page option. This tells Canva to use AI to stretch and blend the edges of your image naturally, filling the entire canvas. This is an excellent option because it eliminates any hard edges and creates a seamless look. After selecting Whole Page, sit back for a moment while Canva processes the expansion. Keep in mind that the time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the image you're working with. If it's taking longer than expected, don't worry, it's worth the wait. Once the processing is complete, take a close look at the expanded background. Review it carefully to ensure it looks seamless and natural. If you notice anything that doesn't look quite right, you can adjust the image's position on the canvas or try using a different photo altogether. Sometimes making small tweaks can lead to better results. From here, you can either save your design or continue editing to add text, graphics, or other elements to complete your project. Canva makes it easy to keep refining your work until it's just the way you want it. And that's it. You've just learned how to extend a background in Canva using the Magic Expand feature. This simple yet powerful tool can take your designs to the next level by creating smooth, professional-looking backgrounds in just a few clicks. If you have any questions or want to share how you've used this feature in your projects, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.